In this video, we will show how to download an off-road trail file from the FunTreks website and then use it in an app. We will do this on an Android phone. Start by navigating to the FunTreks homepage through a web browser. We suggest using a FunTreks guidebook to choose a trail before downloading the tracklog. From the homepage, use the search bar to locate a specific trail. Even with a few letters, the search will show multiple results. Simply select the trail you want to use. You will then be taken to an individual trail page where you'll find detailed trail information and several helpful resources including current weather conditions and contact information specific to that trail. Scroll down to the free GPS downloads and click the download link. You will need to agree to the terms before downloading the file. FunTreks provides a free GPX file for personal use only. This file will be downloaded to your phone's download folder. You can use your phone's file browser to verify the file was downloaded by checking your recent files. Next, open an app that can import GPX files. We will be using GAIA. Click the plus icon and choose Import File. Navigate to your download folder. This can be tricky to find as your download folder may be in a different location than our example. Once you find the download folder, select the GPX file. To view the trail, go to the map view and simply navigate to the area. You will see the tracklog and waypoints that match the trail in the FunTreks guidebook. Thank you for using FunTreks trail information. More helpful videos like this can be found on the FunTreks resource page.